Alright, I'm just looking through this here appeal. And it says that the 2nd District Court of Appeals received the case initiation, filing date, county of origin, lower tribunal. It's saying a filing fee is owed, even though I'm indigent. So they want $300 from me. So anyway, it says to review and comply with any handouts enclosed in this acknowledgement letter. So we go down here. It says notice to attorneys and parties. And it's a substantial caseload of this court, together with the orderly and timely movement of appeals, requires strict compliance with the appellate rules. Strict compliance. I've complied with everything, and then some. In the small claims court, they don't comply. That's why we're here. So we moved from the People's Court, what's supposed to be the People's Court, which I've been blacklisted from it. I've been blacklisted from this too. But these critical time requirements, related cases. So you get strict time requirements. You're out here trying to survive. And if you read, there's a handbook that I posted before on appellate procedure, and it's like the Cliff's Notes. And it's 178 pages, and you got 30 days to know that in and out. They make it impossible. Good cause must be shown for extension of time, and they like to use that word cause, or there's another cause, and then failure to show cause, failure to cite a state of claim. They'll do whatever they can to throw your stuff out. So you have failure to comply, pursuant to these rules that they don't care about, electronic filing. All attorneys must file electronically. So I got to waste more time. I got to go and refile all this. If I can even get the bandwidth to do it out here. Like, I got time. I'm a disabled person. Electronic fee payments. They talk about oral arguments supposed to be done within 15 days. Motions for continuous, timely requests. What gets me down here? Briefs. Any briefs submitted to the court must comply with Florida rules of appellate procedure. These two numbers. If submitted by an attorney, it must be filed electronically. If the brief is typewritten or computer generated, the lettering shall be black and in distinct type, double spaced, with margins no less than 1 inch. Computer generated briefs shall be prepared with either Arial 14-point font or Bookman old style 14-point font. So there's no Times New Roman, there's no Courier style that they require in the lower tribunals, the stupid tribunals. So if I type something up and I put it in Times New Roman, they'll kick it. 14-point font. If I don't put it double spaced and do the margins right, it's that important to them. And you have to do it electronically. Can you do a handwritten in cursive? They'll find anything. Like, why would that even matter? It's another thing that they want to catch you on. But they're just like the small claims. They'll kick it. This is stuff that requires a competent, ethical attorney. How do you get that with no money? Even though you have money. And they with what I'm going after here, and I've looked at Uniform Trust Code, all the trial procedures, Florida Trust Code, which is based on Uniform Trust Code. I'm supposed to be provided an attorney by the trust. And that's law, but they won't do it because it's law. References and briefs, failure to comply, may result in striking of the brief, even in the absence of motion. There's 178 pages of this. This is just some of the things that they brought to my attention. Use of trial court by evidentiary exhibitors, contraband of dangerous items, large charts, heavy or bulky items, appendices, supplemental authority, notify opposing party of full citation before oral argument, waiving oral arguments, Florida bar numbers, change of address of attorneys or parties. It's ridiculous. Yep. And just so YouTube knows, this is taken right off of the court's website. It's all public information. There's nothing redacted here. But yeah, they just want to waste your time running in circles, and then they'll just throw it out the window or throw it in the garbage anyway. This is how your government works. Thank you for all 2 of you that showed up, made it to the end.